In the next few minutes, I'd like to answer 5 important questions about LiquidGoldRx. What is Liquid Gold? What does it do? Why do you need it? How often should you take it? And how can you get it? But first, a disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not meant to diagnose, cure, treat, or prevent any disease. Please see your healthcare provider regarding any healthcare concerns and symptoms. So what is Liquid Gold? LiquidGoldRx is highly engineered plant extracts. European scientists have studied the technology behind Liquid Gold since 1973. Liquid Gold is a combination of 40 of the most potent plant food extracts from the most nutritional foods on earth, such as celery, alfalfa, garlic, dill, red raspberry, and black cherry, just to name a few. The extracts are obtained from plants harvested, in vast majority, from the European Mediterranean mountains. And Liquid Gold contains no herbicides, pesticides, or other contaminating poisons in the product whatsoever. This is why LiquidGoldRx is food in its simple state. What does Liquid Gold do? Before we talk about what Liquid Gold does, let's talk about a condition called sepsis. Sepsis and blood poisoning are often used interchangeably by doctors. Sepsis occurs when the body releases chemicals into the bloodstream to fight an infection, which then triggers inflammation throughout the body. This can cause a cascade of changes that damages multiple organ systems, leading them to fail, sometimes even resulting in death. According to CNN News and a BBC report, in 2017, 1 in 5 deaths occurred because of sepsis. This is more than all cancers combined. When someone has sepsis, their body essentially overreacts to an infection. This out-of-control immune response can cause organs to shut down. Sepsis-related deaths in 2017 peaked in early childhood, declined in early adulthood, and rose again among the elderly. Liquid Gold is like a stimulant that works at the subatomic level. LiquidGoldRx helps the body get healthy nourishment it needs at the cellular level. It enters the bloodstream, helping to purge the liver of toxins, which then helps neutralize the blood of contaminants that we're exposed to on a daily basis through the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. In a nutshell, after food has been digested in the small intestines and enters the bloodstream, the newly produced red blood cells will deliver oxygen throughout the body faster. Thereby, the nutrition that is present in the less toxic blood will nourish all of the cells better, and the entire circulatory system will then receive what it needs in order to nourish each of the trillions of cells in our body. Why do you need Liquid Gold? Many of us have health symptoms related to the foods we eat, and more often than not, we fail to address the root cause. For example, we have all been exposed to harmful contaminants in our food, water, and air, like pesticides, herbicides, GMOs, preservatives, various additives, and pollutants that can have adverse effects on our health. By addressing the root cause of the problem, in other words, cleansing the blood, the immune system is able to function more efficiently and effectively, thus removing harmful toxins from the body that have the potential to cause great bodily harm. Our blood cleansing technology is an effective and healthy way to help you combat the constant bombardment of these contaminants and help you and your loved ones to protect and enhance your immune system in a better way. How often should Liquid Gold be used? Our red blood cells replenish themselves about every 4 months or 120 days. Based on this knowledge, doctors have determined and are recommending that LiquidGoldRx be sprayed 4 times into the mouth, 3 times a day, and 15 minutes before we eat. Because our red blood cells take 4 months to replenish themselves, this routine should be continued every day for the first 4 months. And after that, it can be sprayed 4 times into the mouth just once a day. It should be used once a day, every day, in order to provide the blood with essential tools it needs to cleanse itself from the toxic contaminants we consume on a daily basis. A network of over 3,800 doctors have recommended this product for the last 20 years to their patients. It used to cost over $200 per month. Now, because of production capabilities, plus an exclusive contract, LiquidGoldRx is being offered at just $65 a month, plus shipping and handling.